welcome to GBT channel. Today we come to the Yangtze River, show the beautiful scenery for our customers. Let's see the Yangtze River. Okay, now we will to introduce the kit for Lexus 570 upgrade. I am Ellen.
I am Anya.
This kit including the bonnet, hood, and also the front fender, headlight, and the fog light. Also, we have the grille. The bonnet and the fender, we provide the kit with the primer. The headlight, we have white color and black color for option, and also the fog light. Today we install the fog light is black color. We also have the white color, so customers can choose the color they like. The grille, we have different colors for option. The chrome, we have the matte chrome and also high gloss chrome. This place we provide the pearl black and the pearl gray. Also we have high gloss black. Now we install the front lip for TRD style. This is the front bumper lip. We also have the front bumper lip with the LED light. The LED light we install here. So this is the front part for Lexus 570 upgrade. Let's show the background. The GBT kits of the back for Lexus 570. What's the parts included?
It is a roof rack in front of the car, like this. We installed in the car, and this one is a rear spoiler in the whole set, and the middle spoiler, just like this, in this position. And we have the rear door. There is no any curtain. It is very easy to do the installation like this. And the rear lamps, now it is the red one. We still have the black edition for the option. This is the rear license board, just like this, with the LED lamps here. Still we have the rear running board. And the rear lip, we have two colors. This is the black one. We still have the pearl white for option. And
we also have the rear bumper light. This bumper light is the red color. We also have the option for the black color. So all the lamps, we have different colors. The customers can choose the color they want. Okay, so now please tell me the material for the parts one by one.
Okay.
Yeah, what's the material for the rear spoiler?
It is made by ABS.
Okay, the spoiler
still made by ABS.
Now the special one,
for the rear door. Rear
door
is made by PP.
Okay. The
rear license board is still made by PP.
Okay. So
rear lip is made by PP.
Okay. So material different for the different parts. Hello everyone. Let's see the car inside. Yeah. What's the parts changed inside?
This is our electronic car seat for Lexus 570. The whole set is in two form and outer leather in the front of the car seat, and we can see the back car seat. There is two car seats. For the original cars, we have 3 seats here. Now it is two sets and the complex concept control.
Yeah. We see the screen can touch, right?
Yes, it is a touch screen, and there is many functions we could choose in this touch screen.
What's the function?
You can see the car seat. You can up forward, and then you can downward. And for the front of this one still could just like this, forward and downward.
Also, maybe the leg rest also has the function.
For this one, you can see it could be upwards and downwards. For you could have a good rest here.
So how about the screen front of your face?
This one, it is just like a computer here. When you have long-term trip, you could have a movie, fun, videos, and music. Just like this.
We can choose the movies, so then when driving we can watch the TV and also the movies.
Also, if you have babies for the long term, if you want to keep license, you could have some cartoons.
Okay. So how about the armrest?
Armrest here is you could keep some bottles here.
Okay, so how about
And
this one?
This one still for bottles, and you can keep some just like t-shirts here.
And also water. Water can put here.
Yes.
Or it can open and close. How about the seat? We have other material or looks different?
Yes, we have super cyber and leather in nature.
We have different.
If you have different colors you like, you could choose the color as you like. Now we have the black ones.
I also look at the windows and the doors, also the top of the car.
Yes.
We also change.
Yes, we changed the upwards here, and for the door, we changed the leather and the color. We make it like a whole set. It's more high end.
Okay, so I saw the top of the car have a small light.
The lamps here is more shining. When you're in dark, maybe it likes the galaxy.
Wow, that's very beautiful. So when we're driving in night or evening, so will be very nice, very beautiful.
And still, if you're in winter, there is very cold outside. We have the heating function here.
For seats.
Yes.
Wow, so very warm in the winter.
Still, we have for the high-end car, we have the massage function.
So if the original car had the function, have the massage function, when change the seats, our seats also can still have the function for the massage.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
To fulfill the trip.
This is this all functions and also the looks for the electronic seats is all.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So today we introduce finished.
Have a better trip here.
Have a better trip.